the vision of where I truly wish to be. In my soul, I can feel the love
so we
from
gotta
everyone surrounding me. With my spirit, I rise to the most everlasting of highs. And in my time, I elevate with my glowing wings in the night sky. I used to only imagine the sanctions in a styling world could build for me.
Alright,
Now
so
I can truly see the truth of this.
This is the wig that we are reviewing.
In the
This is how it comes packaged.
So I'm
Now, while I open this, I'm going to tell you a little bit about the company that I got this wig from. I was not able to find this company on Instagram, on Facebook, on Twitter. Like, I could not find this company anywhere, but I am on a seller site called Mercari, where I sell my nails. So, and a lot of my outfits are sold on that website, on that app, actually.
There is no doubt
so
that we are different.
I saw these wigs. They were colorful. They were beautiful. They were long, curly, short, and the colors is what attracted me to this seller. And so I saw this particular wig, and I was like, I have to have it. I have to have it. The wig was $58, and it is a synthetic wig. Which is kind of expensive, but for the reviews, the quality, the just overall look of the wig, I just decided to go for it, and I was like, I have to get this wig. This is just a thank you card from them. It says thank you, gorgeous. And I'm gonna open this wig up because my last video was pretty long. I just want to go ahead and get this video done. So it comes in, look at those colors. Oh, look at those colors. Oh my gosh. It comes in this netting, which I'm going to take off. And it's stuck on the card. This is the, look at this. OMG. It's thick. It's full. Look at y'all.
In my mind, I can see the vision.
Oh my god. Okay, so let me try to.
In my soul, I can feel the love from everyone surrounding me. With my spirit, I rise to
so
the
I can
most
tell y'all the name of this company that I got this wig from.
And in my time,
it is called the Kay B Collections Hair, Lashes, and Beauty.
Only imagine the sanctions and style.
Oh, here's their Instagram stuff right here. Oh, it's a different name
this undying philosophy
from what's
in the
on Mercari.
So
okay. I'm gonna look it up on Instagram.
Honestly, can't help but believe that these things were all meant to be. In
hair, lashes, and beauty,
I can sleep to the
and that's
cries
their
and the souls of every nation. Here we go with the war we choose to fight against all skills of
that's what it is on. I couldn't find it on Instagram because I didn't know that that's what it was on their website, the Kay B Collections. Y'all, this wig is beautiful right out of the freaking package. This is why I love synthetic wigs. It also comes with an information card.
That I allow you to take away my black son's
they have
life,
human hair, blends, human hair, wavy texture, curly texture, a whole bunch of information on the type of wigs that they have.
Life, and you will not take that away.
And I'm gonna drop all of their links in the description box so that y'all can see. Get this little piece out of here because it comes tagged. This is very professional. I love this. All right, so let's get into this wig, baby. Let's get into it. I cannot wait to put this wig on. Oh my god. Believe, please, and open up your eyes. It's time to fight. Alright, so it does come with, I think this might be some Swiss lace over here. I don't know what this is. It's just a lace. It's ear to ear. It's a lace front. Here's the parting, which is very, very deep. It comes with 2 combs in the front, a comb in the back, right there. The cap has adjustable straps in the back, and let's look at the parting on the top.
I can see the vision of where I truly
It actually, this is a very deep card.
Feel the love from everyone surrounding me.
And
with my spirit,
it looks like it looks good.
To the most everlasting of highs, and in my time, I elevate with
I'm about to put her on. I can't wait any longer. I think I told y'all everything about this wig, so I'm about to put her on. And I will be right back because I need to prep my cap and get my got to be food so that I can put this
in
on.
the cards that was so beautiful, so ominously dealt to me. I honestly can't help but believe that these things were all meant to be. In relation, I can sleep to the cries of the souls of every nation. Here we go with the war we choose to fight against all skills of communication. We decide to hide and conform instead of fighting for all creations. Instead, we fight for fame and the anxiety of social confirmation. There is no doubt that we are different, but that doesn't mean that we have to fight. And I couldn't dream of the day that I allow you to take away my black son's life. His dreams are my dreams, and they will be seen. He will live his best life, and you will not take that away from me. Go where you want to go. Breathe. Yeah, you want to breathe. Fly high over the 7 seas. See all the things you want to see. Unite and rise into the burning skies. Believe, please, and open up your eyes. It's time to fight and stand up for your rights. Be free and breathe and protect your life.
This is the finished look. I just put a few baby hairs at the top there.
In my mind,
and I'm living for this.
Of where I truly wish to be.
I'm living
in my soul,
for this wig.
The love of everyone surrounding me. With my spirit, I rise to the most everlasting of highs. And in my time, I elevate with my growing wings in the night sky. I used to only imagine the sanctions this dying world could build for me. Now I can truly see the truth of this undying philosophy. In the cards that were so dubiously, so ominously dealt to me. I honestly can't help but believe that these things were all meant to be. In relation, I can sleep to the cries of the souls of every nation. Here we go with the war we choose to fight against all skills of communication. We decide to hide and conform instead of fighting for all creation. Instead, we fight for fame and the anxiety of social confirmation. There is no doubt that we are different, but that doesn't mean that we have to fight.
Yeah.
And I couldn't dream of the day that I allow you to take away my black son's life.
So like I said, this wig was on sale for $58.
They will be seen.
I did have to pay shipping for it. I bought it on my card.
Life, and you will not take that away from me.
Yeah.
Go where you want to go.
Overall, I'm very impressed.
Yeah, you want to breathe.
Very, very, very impressed with this company. I will be making more purchases. They have all kinds of colors, y'all. Y'all have to go look at their Mercari. You have to go look at their Poshmark. They have all kinds of colors. They have purples and blues and every color that's in this wig. They have separate wigs. They have a neon and blue green light type wig that I'm probably gonna buy. And I'm a customer. You got me. You got me. So you got me. I will be trying more wigs from them here on my channel, and this is it. And it's hot. It's perfect for the summertime because it's been really hot here in Tennessee. I don't know why. It's been like in the 80s and 90s here lately, and
in my mind, I can see the vision of where I truly wish to be. In my soul,
I really don't have no complaints about it. I think the only issue that I might have, and it's just my fault, is that I can't get the
and in my time, I elevate with my
side tabs to stay and put, no matter how much you got to be glued and freeze spread. But I don't let them stay down.
World could do for me. Now I can truly
other than that,
see the truth of this
look how deep the part goes.
In the cause that was so dubiously, so ominously dealt
and I probably should put some.
I honestly can't help but believe that these things are all meant to be. In relation, I can sleep to the cries of the souls of every nation.
The part
Here
is
we go
literally
with the war we choose to fight against all skills of communication.
Yeah,
We decide
the first track
to hide and conform instead of fighting for all creations. Instead, we fight for fame and the anxiety of social conflict.
I am probably in the future.
There's no doubt that we are different, but that doesn't mean that we have to fight. And I couldn't dream of the day that I allow you to take away my black son's life.
It's perfect
His
the way that it came,
are
and
my
I'm gonna be wearing
dreams,
this
and they will
until I
be
can't
seen.
wear it no more, baby.
He will live his
especially
best
with
life,
Pride
and
Month.
you will not take that away from me.
It's
Go, go,
this is look at the cut.
breathe, breathe, the air you want to breathe.
I'm feeling it. So y'all go shop with Kay B. Like I said, I'm putting their information in the description box. Make sure you go and shop with Kay B Collection. Their wigs are phenomenal. They are gorgeous. They are everything. And y'all know I'm honest. I'm 100% honest about these wigs. And this one,
be free and breathe and grow at your life.
what can you tell me? That cut is like perfect. It's perfect. Yeah. Alright guys, thank you for watching again, for coming to my wig review. I really appreciate you guys for coming here and kicking it with me. Make sure you follow me on TikTok. Your girl is actually popping on TikTok. They like me. They like me. Follow me on Instagram. If you have questions about my nails, I will put my information in the description box as well, because I make
growing wings in the night sky. I used to only imagine the sanctions and style world could build for me.
Make sure you go shop
Now
with Kay
I
B.
can truly see
Thank you
the
for
truth
tuning
of
in
this
with me.
undying
You guys
philosophy.
have a great,
In the
amazing day, and
cause
stay
that was so
safe. Please stay safe.
So
Don't be out here doing no crazy stuff.
I
Stay safe.
honestly
Stay in
can't
the
help
house.
but believe
Do
that
what you
these
need to do.
things were
I love
all
you
meant
guys
to
so
be.
much.
In relation, I can sleep to the cries of the souls of every nation. Here we go with the war we choose to fight against all skills of communication. We decide to hide and conform instead of fighting for all creations. Instead, we fight for fame and the anxiety of social confirmation.